How to summarize websites and articles with Grok AI on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quickly break down any web page or article using just a link. First, open the Grok app on your Android device. From there, find the article or website you want to summarize. You can do this in your browser or any app where the link is available. After that, copy the link to the page you want Grok to summarize. At this point, go back to the Grok app and paste the link into the text field at the bottom. Following this, add a prompt alongside the link telling Grok what you want. For example, you could type something like, "Summarize this article," or "Give me the key points from this page," along with the link. From here, tap Send and give Grok a moment to read through the page and generate a summary. After that, Grok will break down the content for you in a clear and concise way, pulling out the most important points so you don't have to read through the whole thing yourself. At this stage, if you want more detail on a specific part of the article, just follow up with a message asking Grok to expand on that section. Finally, you can also ask Grok to format the summary in a specific way, for example, as bullet points, a short paragraph, or a list of key takeaways, depending on what works best for you. That's how you summarize websites and articles using Grok AI on Android. If this was useful, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.